house and understand the need to unite Biafra together. How can you people split or divide what Simon Ekpa and many of us have built for years? And you people expect people like me to start supporting you people. It doesn't work that way now. It doesn't work that way. Unless you people come down from your high horse, and unite Biafrans together, we are chasing only one thing, our freedom.
I keep you updated. I give you all the latest happening all over the globe. In fact, I bring the world closer to your doorstep. Without not wasting much of a time, let us go into the reason why we are here. 2 weeks ago, I made a video and I said another group, third group, is going to emerge outside Dr. Ngozi and Mr. Ogekere. A lot of people were telling me that I don't know what I am saying. See, I am the true prophetess. In fact, if I talk, before I talk, I reason everything and I add 1 + 2 together. A lot of persons said, no way, there will never be any other group. I said because this kata kitty kitty, a lot of people don't want to work with Dr. Ngozi. Neither did they want to work with Mr. Ogekere. They said, I don't know what I'm talking about. Here comes the third group. These are brother, as you all know, QTV. He finally made the biggest step. He said anybody that is ready for the freedom of Biafra should add himself or herself to the group, of which he dropped a link on Telegram. As I'm talking to you, a lot of Biafrans are making U-turn already to go and join this group on Telegram. Bitter Truth Group. He dropped the link on his platform. I'm not telling now. I told you people that third group will emerge. I said, but I don't really know the person that is going to front this third group. But with what I am seeing, they suspect, say these people, they are not ready to work with Mr. Ogekere because, come on, they not trust them. They say no, they are not going there anymore. Since the time that Yahoo came out to talk about Dr. Ngozi that is not getting money from him, a lot of them say, if not so, third group go emerge. We no longer want to work with Dr. Ngozi. They were thinking that these people has packed to meet Mr. Ogekere. Now lie. I said it before. I said these people that are moving away from the deputy prime minister, they are not going to join Mr. Ogekere. They don't want to work with him. They don't trust his movement. I said these people, they want to go and form the third group. Here comes the big blow. Finally, make una dey look around now. People are coming to front this third group. I am telling you what I am seeing. See, when I told you people about this third group, now they talk, I don't know what I talk. Now the third group is here. In fact, I really want you to listen to the message that this our brother passed before finally bringing out this third group. And I'll be right back.
I have come again because some people are worried about my decision over the ongoing situation on ground. I don't have a problem with anybody. Only that all of us know how these issues happened and how it started. And people like me believe in Biafra freedom. I'm not here to destroy anybody, or to damage anybody, or to blackmail anybody. All my wish is today is for us to get Biafra and let us go home. On 5th of December 2004, all of you know how everything started. There's no need of telling you the story. It started from accountability. From there, they start to expand from one issue to another. And people like me now, I have checked all these things, all this saga, and we know the people that invent this issue, the division among us right now. They have divided us into two, caused many havoc, many blackmail, many propagandas, Many lies is flying, misinformation everywhere. And people like me have checked all these things and just understand that all these people, all these individuals that are in their high horse, if only they will come down from their high horse and understand the need to unite Biafra together. How can you people split or divide what Simon Ekpa and many of us have built for years? And you people expect people like me to start supporting you people. It doesn't work that way now. It doesn't work that way. Unless you people come down from your high horse, and unite Biafrans together, we are chasing only one thing, our freedom. Let us come together and fight together as one body. Division among us is causing many things, many damages among us. I call it just like self-destruction. And this is what Nigeria government have. The reason why Nigeria government kidnapped Mazen Kanu. Finland is detaining Simon Ekpa. And the same thing also is happening right now in our midst. We are doing the will of these our enemies who kidnap our leader, who detain our leader. How long must we continue to understand this fact? That this division is not taking us to anywhere. And why I withdraw my support from any of these people, because they are also the one that is energizing these gullibles to kill themselves. It is self-destruction. We want to destroy ourselves by, we are doing now the work of the enemies. This self-destruction, me, QTV, I will not be part of it. I'm not here to destroy any Biafra or any person, my own blood and flesh. I will not do it. Until you people understand the fight to come together, because together we stand. This divide and rule system, it will not work. Because you people want to kill yourself. For me, that is why I'm withdrawing myself from everybody. I don't want to be part of this self-destruction. I want to save life, because I know I can fight literally. I don't want to, to use my ability, my strength, to destroy my fellow Biafran. That is why I focus now on Nigeria issue, on Nigeria matter. How are we going to bring Nigeria down is my problem, not how we are going to fight each other. Who is relevant, who is not, who is important, who is not. Me, QTV, me, myself, I will not be part of this destruction, this self-destruction. This is what I see, self-destruction. And I will not be part of it. That is why I'm doing this video. And in the issue of Biafra Liberation Army, I may talk about it later, because the danger I see on that and why I'm shouting on it.
Hey, all right, so my people, what did I know? I'm just here to keep it real. I'm just here to let a lot of people know that there is every reason why you need to subscribe to Progress the Analyst, because now here for they happen. All the latest information, the Okporega news, the ones that you have not heard before, now here for the touch ground. What is your take now on this issue? After all, a lot of Biafran people come and see the gbas they were giving to him. They said, no, we are not following you. Oh my goodness. Some say, oh, if it's true that you want to do it accordingly like Simon Ekpa, we will join you. So my people, as I said before, I'm just here to keep everybody, every information, every update. I'm just here to keep it real. I'm just here to let my people know that a lot of things they happen where we say they see. And I Progress the Analyst, they make you they see them. So please subscribe and do well to share our videos. Thank you so much and bye for now.
Many people here do not know what to do. Fulani people are armed. They are hitting vehicles. Fulani people are attacking Igbo vehicles. They are coming. Look at them. They are attacking. They are burning vehicles belonging to Igbo people in Enugu.
Ekpa is no longer the problem. The problem we have in the southeastern Nigeria is Fulani herders killing people in Enugu, killing people in Ihamu, Fusoka, killing people in Anambra State, disaliving people in Ondo State, unaliving people in Benue State. We've seen the Fulanis ravaging all the topography of Biafra, all in the name of Fulani oligarchy. Ask me why. The government of the southeastern Nigeria, the 5 state governors with exemption of Osita, Alex Oti, the rest are in support of Fulani oligarchs.
No, ni kunu nda osi gburu ishiri a na-enye ụdị nsogbu a. Ndị a ga-anarakwa ya Enugu one day. Bara Jesus. Ana m a complain. Ụdị pọma ndị a nwere ebe ana m a complain. Ndị a chọ ikwugbu enyi nwoke ebe a one day. Ọ dị too much n'Enugu anyị ahụ. Hello? Hello? I'm coming. Hi everyone, wherever you are watching from, we are new artisans in Enugu. Our people are burning our houses down. As you can see, look far away there, you see hundreds of our Fulani people armed. And they are hitting somebody there. They are hitting somebody there. It is very, very dangerous for anybody to go close to that place. Look at how some people Kafabuma. Ever knew what is an Enugu? According to reports, they say that government of Enugu sent the military and police to demolish that area because of the nuisance of our Fulani people. And they started shooting at the military and the police. And they are rampaging, they are burning houses, they are burning shops. Awusa Fulani in Enugu, it is happening for those who have been arguing with our analysis. It is clearly unsafe. It is very unsafe. Everywhere around Nuatisan in Enugu is burning, and nobody could go close to there. Awusa Fulani in dominance at New Artisan in Enugu. Premier layout. Nobody could go. They are also looking for vehicles to burn. And residents of this locality, they say they are unsafe, as you can see. I can in no way go close to the scene to see. Our people are obviously in trouble. And they could come down. We've been saying it, Fulani people taking over, but so many people do not want to understand what is going on in Igbo land. A lot of us are helpless. Many people here do not know what to do. Fulani people are armed. They are hitting vehicles. Fulani people are attacking Igbo vehicles. They are coming. Look at them. They are attacking. They are burning vehicles belonging to Igbo people in Enugu. And where we are is not far away from Enugu State Government House. It is not far away, and I can assure you it's a shame in Enugu, the capital of Igbo land. The Hausa Fulani people rampaging, attacking butchering, burning houses in Enugu. I do not know where we go from here. They are attacking the vehicle, as you can see. They are hitting all the vehicles with knives, with stick. This is new artisan in Enugu, 2 minutes drive to residents of Enugu State Governor. And according to reports, the police are running, the military as well are running. This place is not safe at all. Let me try to go a little bit close. It's not safe at all. Well done. It's not safe. It's not safe, Arabi. People are telling me not to go close, that it's not safe at all. I don't know what is going on there. Our people are saying for security reasons, do not go close. Because when a thing of this nature is happening, they don't want media. They don't want camera to record. So it is very, very unsafe. From where I am, it's very, very dangerous to go close to that place without proper security precautions or security measures. Look at there, it's flaming, it's burning, and there is nothing anybody could do because the police are running, the military as well are on their heels, leaving our Fulani armed.
Ekpa is no longer the problem. The problem we have in the southeastern Nigeria is Fulani herders killing people in Enugu, killing people in Ihamu, Fusoka, killing people in Anambra State, disaliving people in Ondo State, unaliving people in Benue State. We've seen the Fulanis ravaging all the topography of Biafra, all in the name of Fulani oligarchy. Ask me why. The government of the southeastern Nigeria, the 5 state governors with the exemption of Osita, Alex Oti. The rest are in support of Fulani oligarchs who are the one that sponsor the platform called Meti Allah across West Africa. They are the one buying arms to supply the headers that are using their arms on the Yoruba people at the axis of Ondo, on the Yoruba people at Ibarakwa and the Gongo, on the Igbos at the axis of Abo, the Okowa, the former governor of Delta State. His local government has been ravaged, invaded by Fulani header killers, killer headers. And so have we been crossing our fingers, watching Meti Allah from Mali, from Senegambia, from Burkina Faso, from Sahel countries, unaliving and disaliving all the farmers across Nigeria. And it has thrown the whole country into food shortage, food crisis. No more food in Nigeria. Food is now luxury. everywhere you go in Nigeria because the farmers are not going to farmland again. Courtesy. Fulani headers encroachment across Nigerian farmland. That's why you have food drought everywhere in Nigeria. And government of the Federation is not doing anything about it. Because Nigerian people, Nigerian citizens, all our land and topography has been bought over by the people from the Sahel. That's why you have foreigners, unhealthy people. Each and every time we do election, unhealthy people will win because they don't think well. They don't want people that reason well to take over the hems of affairs of Nigerian government so that they will be reasoning like animals. And I'm telling you today, check well whom the person, the personality, the paternity of Muhammad Buhari is. Buhari is not a Nigerian. Buhari is from Republic of Benin. And currently you are president. Are you thinking that your president is from Yoruba land? I think go and check him and investigate by yourself. Then again, the way he reasons, someone that could just wake up and declare state of emergency in a state that a governor was elected, the way he was elected, how could you remove him? Declaring, inviting military operation again into our system. My prayer is that, come what may, by the grace of God, after the military operation in Rivers State, I think the military should remember Aso. They should go there and deal with them. They are the one that invited the military by themselves, not the military. They staged this coup by themselves. And the military will finish up at Aso.
But for this Fulani now, what like the Southeastern governors, we've seen that over the past they've come together and said they want to form. Everybody now has having their own security, like Anambra.
In Anambra State, instead of concentrating on Fulanis, killer headers, Charles Soludo has gone after native doctors, after witch doctors, after herbalists, after women that are not dressing well. Yesterday, I cried when I saw my sister, my Igbo sister, crying. She was being interviewed by those illegal security outfits. What are you doing? He said, I am mating. That's how